This tutorial looks at the square root function. The square root function is defined as, y equals root x, or remember that a square root is a fractional power, so x to the power of a half, for instance. Just like normal, when you have a square root, you must have a positive x value. So for instance, graphically, what this means is you can't substitute in an x value which is negative if that makes what you're square rooting negative. So the values under the square root must be greater than 0. This is our most basic example, okay? So this is the square root of x. Our most basic example where we start at 0, 0, or the origin, and we go from there. Now this can undergo transformations, i.e. you can have dilations, so the a value would be your dilation. The horizontal translations, so b, for instance, would move in the x direction and c would move up. This is just the same as what we've normally done. So we've had h and k, which moved our turning point. With our hyperbolas, we had, I think it was b and c, and that moved our asymptotes. Same deal for truncus. With the square root function, it's going to move our starting point. So this 0, 0 will move based on the b and the c. So what this means is that you will have the starting point given to you if your equation's in this form, which normally speaking it is. We will look at some examples with dealing with the square root function and how to graph it.